Back in the day you had been part of the smart set. You holidayed with kings, dined out with starlets. From London to New York, Cap Ferrat to Capri. In perfume by Chanel and clothes by Givenchy. You sipped Camparis with David and Peter. At Noel's parties by Lake Geneva, scaling the dizzy heights of high society, armed only with a checkbook and the family tree. You chased the sun around the Côte d'Azur until the light of youth became obscure and left you on your own.